Hey everyone, welcome back to Medical Professor. Today we are diving into one of the most commonly used modal verb in English, that is can. Want to improve your English speaking skills? Not sure how to use can correctly? Struggling with grammar mistakes? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll master the uses of can for ability, possibility, permission, and requests with examples, exercises, and a fun quiz. Make sure to watch till the end and test yourself with these practice exercises. Let's get started. Understanding the modal verb can. What is can? Can is a modal verb used to express ability, possibility, permission, and requests. Unlike regular verbs, can does not change according to the subject. Structure is subject plus can plus base form of the verb plus object. For example, she can swim very fast. Uses of can with examples. Number 1. Expressing ability. Present and general ability. Can is used to talk about skills and abilities in the present. For example, she can play the piano beautifully. He can speak 4 languages. They can run a marathon without stopping. I can cook Italian food. He can solve complex maths problem easily. Number 2, can is used to express possibility, something that is possible. Can is used to talk about things that are possible in a general sense. For example, it can be very cold in winter. Too much sugar can cause health problems. Learning English can help you get better job opportunities. This road can be dangerous at night. Some animals can live for over 10 years. Number 3, asking for and giving permission. Can is used to ask for and give permission in an informal way. For example, can I go to the party tonight? Can we sit here? You can leave early if you finish your work. Can I borrow your book for a day? Can we take photos inside the museum? Can is also commonly used to make requests in a polite yet informal way. For example, can you help me with my homework? Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you turn down the music? Can you tell me the way to the station? Can you wait for a minute? Number 5, expressing prohibition. Negative sentences. Cannot or can't is used to indicate something is not allowed or possible. For example, you can't park here. We cannot smoke inside the restaurant. You can't enter without an ID. She cannot drive until she gets a license. This door cannot be opened from the outside. Number 6, can also be used to discuss possible future events. For example, you can win if you practice hard. It can rain later tonight. He can become a great leader someday. This project can take longer than expected. We can travel to Europe next summer. Number 7, making suggestions or giving advice. Can is used when offering suggestions or giving friendly advice. For example, you can try this new restaurant. It's amazing. You can improve your English by reading books. You can start exercising to stay healthy. You can visit Paris if you love history. You can call customer services for help. Can does not have a past form, so we use could to talk about past abilities. For example, when I was a child, I could swim very well. She could read when she was just 3 years old. He could run 5 miles without stopping. We could play outside all the day in summer. My grandmother cooked delicious meals. Number 9, can is used in conditional sentences to talk about possible outcomes. For example, if you study hard, you can pass the exam. If we leave early, we can catch the first train. If you practice daily, you can become a great musician. If he works harder, She can get a promotion. If we save money, we can go on vacation. Negative form of can. The negative form of can is cannot or can't. For example, you cannot enter without a ticket. I can't believe this is happening. She can't eat nuts because she's allergic. He can't go out tonight. He has homework. We cannot afford a new car right now. Key takeaways. Can is used to express ability, possibility, permission, requests, prohibition, and future possibilities. Cannot or can't is used to indicate that something is not possible or not allowed. For past abilities, use could instead of can. Here are three exercises to help reinforce the use of can in different contexts. Exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of can or cannot. Stop this video and try to solve this exercise and write your answers in the comment section. Exercise number 2. Choose the correct sentence. Select the correct sentence from the options below. There are 5 sentences and you have to choose one correct sentence and write your answer in the comment section. Here is exercise number 3. Each sentence has a mistake. Rewrite the sentence correctly. If you want the answer key, it is available in the description. Bonus challenge. Create your own sentences. Now, try writing 5 sentences using can. Use it for ability, possibility, permission, or requests. Share your sentences and I'll check them for you. Great job. Now you know how to use can correctly in English. You learned how to express ability, possibility, permission, and requests with can. You practiced with real life examples and exercises. And now it's your turn. Comment below with a sentence using can. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more English grammar lessons. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep learning and improving your English.